When people were trying to treat the disease tuberculosis in the late 20th century, they stumbled onto a drug known as Iproniazid. But what was fascinating was whoever were prescribed this drug Iproniazid, they started to become inappropriately happy. They suddenly found that this drug Iproniazid has a very antidepressant activity. So sometimes what you have to understand is when you take a stone to hit a dog, the stone instead hits a dove instead. What if I take you an element from yoga that is intended for meditators in order to go into a deep state of trance and meditation, but that element of yoga instead actually helps you to overcome your panic attacks? And that element is known as Yoga Nidra. People like Dr. Andrew Huberman have been calling this Yoga Nidra as non-sleep deep rest protocol. What it means is you do not actually sleep, but you have a very deep rest within your system. Your brain will start to create these slow, coherent brain waves like alpha brain waves and theta brain waves when you do Yoga Nidra properly. It is very simple yogic practice. You just close your eyes, you sit down still or lay down for a couple of minutes, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and you put your attention one by one all over your body parts until you achieve a state of certain sense of sleepiness. That is what Yoga Nidra means. It is primarily used for deeper state of meditation by yogis and meditators, but this is a brilliant technique in order to completely get rid of anxiety, panic attacks, worries, concern, and all of this mental pain. Because your brain will start to create this very slow, coherent brain waves, which are very opposite to the brain waves that are created during states of high arousal, states of intense stress, states of anxiety, worries, and concern, and panic attacks. When your brain is super stressed due to panic attacks and anxiety, your brain is creating this high beta waves, incoherent high beta waves. But if you do Yoga Nidra properly, your brain will be producing these slow, coherent brain waves that will heal your body. So please do Yoga Nidra and overcome your panic attacks. Now, if you want one-on-one online personalized coaching from me, where I will hold your hand to success, I will teach you all sorts of things that I derived from ancient yoga as well as manifestation experts from the West, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp linked in the description box down below and also the pinned comment section down below. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video.